Meet Sarah, a VP of sales at a fast-growing SaaS company. Like most Mondays, she faces a familiar challenge, making sense of 15+ sales call transcripts before her team sync. Normally, that means 2-3 hours of reading, cross-checking, and note-taking. But with Fireflies MCP, all Sarah has to do is ask, "Give me a high-level summary of my meetings from the last 3 days," in a table format. Once she enters that, the system begins processing and starts extracting meetings from through our MCP server. After the data is pulled, it analyzes the meeting content. It then provides a high-level overview of trends and insights from sales calls, internal product development discussions, or immediate action items sorted by priority. A process that used to take 2-3 hours every Monday can now be completed in just 2-3 minutes. And that's just the beginning. The second use case, now that Sarah has a high-level overview of what's going on, she needs to get tactical. She wants to know where there are competitive threats and which deals are at risk. So she asks a more detailed question. Now she can say, "Look through my sales meeting calls and give me an overview of all high-risk opportunities. What action items are necessary?" Again, presented in a table format. So again, now that the Claude can query those transcripts, it starts looking through all the sales calls. Depending on the meeting titles, this can include information from your team's emails as well. It searches for all relevant sales meetings and identifies the risk factors and indicators from the data. After 2 minutes, the Claude has reviewed all sales calls from the past several days on Fireflies. It identifies high-risk deals, outlines the risk probability, highlights primary concerns, and recommends specific action items. It only takes 10 minutes to get a complete pipeline overview, proactively identify high-risk deals, and generate clear action items with timelines for how to save them. Now she's fully prepared to report to the CEO with structured insights, specific action items, and a clear framework for prioritization. This is the power of the Fireflies MCP server in practice.